Hey, what's up everybody? Landon here with LMR.com. In this video, we're gonna be checking out SVE's AC and power steering bracket delete kit designed for the 1979 to 1993 Mustangs with a small block Ford V8. So like many things in our product offering, this is one of those that came to fruition to serve those of you out there that have transitioned the car to a dedicated drag car, or it may serve a little bit of both, street and strip, and you're wanting to ditch the aforementioned creature comforts, be it AC and power steering. So removing the accessory drive components free up horsepower that the engine is already making, and we refer to this as a parasitic drag. Whenever you take away certain rotational pieces here within the accessory drive, power that the engine is already making, you are freeing that up. Not only are you freeing up the power, but you are also going to save a little bit of static weight since you're ditching the parts and pieces related to the AC system as well as the power steering system. So if we take a closer look at what comes in the AC and power steering delete kit, by the way, this is the base kit. This particular kit is going to include the bracket that's constructed from 6061 aluminum and machined here in the USA with the nice SVE logo engraved on the face. We'll have the spacers that are also constructed from 6061 aluminum and machined in the USA as well, grooved motorcraft idler pulley, and then the attaching hardware for the pieces in the kit. Now the other kit you'll see on the site will be kind of an all-inclusive kit where we give you the underdrive pulleys and the correct length belt. So for those of you out there that are going to pursue the base kit, you're going to do your own thing when it comes to belt length, because you may already have the associated pulleys that you want to run. Speaking of that belt length, we do have a video that I'll link in the description for you to determine that belt length, but it's very easy to do. Follow the video and then you'll have the correct length belt figured out for your setup. Obviously this is an overview and explanation video, so we're not gonna show anything being installed. Fortunately enough for us, we have a huge library of videos on our channel, and within those videos, we have a few that show components and pieces being removed for the AC system as well as the power steering system, and we'll leave a link down in the description for those of you that want to check those out. Since you'll be removing some hardware associated with the water pump and timing cover, it's a known issue on this era of small block Ford that hardware can be finicky. It can get seized up. You run the risk of breaking it. So just be mindful of that. Do whatever means necessary to get that hardware out without breaking it. Now that's not a scare tactic to take you away from this kit. I just feel like a lot of you will appreciate that heads up before you go down this road. So shifting gears to the hardware that we include in the kit, let's talk about the torque specs. The bolts to secure the spacer and bracket to the water pump and timing cover will have a torque spec of 15 foot-pounds, and then your nylock nut will have a torque spec of 18 foot-pounds. It's also a good tip that the hardware that's going to be going through the spacers and into the water pump and timing cover apply some anti-seize to the shoulders as well as the threads. This is going to aid in future disassembly, be it from you or the next guy if you sell the car. That way, life could be a little bit simpler with that anti-seize on the bolts. All right, everybody, so wrapping things up, like I said, this is a really good kit for those of you out there that are wanting to get rid of the creature comforts, be it the AC and power steering systems. Is this for everybody? No. This is for the folks that are chasing, a time, or they're chasing as much power and efficiency as they can get by removing certain components. So as always, if y'all have questions on any of this, drop us a comment or reach out to us. Our customer care department team is great. And as always, if you find value in what we do, consider liking the video, subscribe to the channel, and then turn on notifications. That way you're notified every time we release something new. And then till we catch you in the next one for all things foxbody Mustang, keep it right here with the real enthusiasts, LMR.com.